Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on Shopify SEO optimization. And essentially, I'm going to help you as a beginner optimize your Shopify for SEO. I'll be breaking down what is SEO exactly and why is it so powerful, how to find the right keywords for your store, and of course, how you can implement these keywords into your store for best results. So without much further ado, let's get started. First, if you don't have a Shopify account yet, then go ahead and create one. Navigate to shopify.com and click on the Start Free Trial. And if you use the link in our description box down below, you'll be granted access to any one of these Shopify plans for only $1 a month on your first month to test the platform out. Once you've created an account, Shopify will take some time to set up your account and launch it. And then you will land on your dashboard, which will look something like this. And now let's start by talking about what exactly is this SEO thing. The main goal is to get your website to appear at the top of search engine results when someone types in a relevant search term. So it's all about optimizing your store so search engines understand it's the most relevant, high quality result for what people are looking for. The key here lies in finding the right keywords, the words and phrases customers use when searching for products like yours. With some SEO optimization, we can get your store to rank for those money keywords. And ranking high means your store gets exposed at a constant stream of motivated shoppers looking for exactly what you're selling. And that's why mastering SEO can be a total game changer for your business. Unlike paid ads that require pumping money into campaigns month after month, SEO is a self-perpetuating source of free, passive, high-quality traffic. Once you've optimized your store and start ranking for those keywords, you will keep pulling in visitors day and night without lifting a finger, without throwing cash at ads that stop working the second you pause your budget. And we're not talking about scraping the bottom of the barrel here. SEO attracts customers who are actively searching for your products and primed to make a purchase. And those customers convert at much higher rates than the cold traffic from other marketing channels. And speaking of keywords, let me walk you through how to choose them using a great tool called SEMrush. So head over to semrush.com and you can sign up for a free trial using the link in our description box down below, and then select a paid plan if you want to. The tool is insanely valuable and I highly recommend using it. After that, you want to enter your main keyword. So think about what someone would search to find your store. Is it handmade jewelry, natural skincare, or dog toys? So let's say, for example, I sell eco-friendly home goods. So I'm going to type in my main keyword, eco-friendly home goods, and then click search. From there, SEMrush will give you tons of related keyword ideas. So you can look over to the volume, which is basically how many times people search for that keyword each month. And of course, another important metric is the KD, which goes for keyword difficulty. And this is how hard it will be to rank highly for this keyword. Of course, as a new store, you want to start with lower KDs, and you can filter the list to include only relevant keywords, get rid of anything unrelated. So great keywords for us here would have a good search volume and are not impossible to rank for. Again, for a new store, aim for keywords with volume of few hundred or more searches per month and a KD of under 50. Also use common sense here. Does the keyword actually match what you sell, or is it something that is somewhat related? Again, there is no point in optimizing for a high volume phrase if it's only vaguely relevant to what you're selling. So now that we've got our keywords locked and loaded, it's time to implement them strategically throughout your Shopify store. Search engines dig into the behind the scenes code to understand what your pages are all about. And luckily, Shopify makes it very easy by generating all that code. We just need to plug the keywords into the right spots. And we do that by starting with the product titles and descriptions. So titles are pretty much prime real estate. So front load your most important keyword like eco-friendly bamboo kitchen towels, be clear and descriptive. Then there's the descriptions, weave your keywords in naturally, so think like a customer. What would they search to find this product? I highly recommend including additional details or benefits. Secondly, there is the image alt text. And what it is the alt text describes images for screen readers and search engines. And how we can do it, in Shopify, when you upload an image, add alt text like eco-friendly bamboo kitchen towels, add more details like absorbent and sustainable, and of course adjust all these keywords to your own products. And finally, we have the meta descriptions, and essentially it's the snippet under your title on Google results. So in Shopify, most themes have a place to edit meta descriptions for each page. Definitely include your keywords and a strong call to action like shop our eco-friendly bamboo kitchen towels, durable, sustainable, and soft. And that's essentially how you can find those keywords and then implement them within your Shopify store. Now, of course, everything I've covered here merely scratches the surface of advanced SEO, and then as you start seeing more results, you may want to level up your tactics, like keyword research beyond just the search volumes to analyze intent, competition, and traffic value, link building to boost domain and page authority. There is also voice search optimization as queries become more conversational, and local search strategies if you offer location-specific products or services. However, one thing I always say is keyword stuffing is a no-go. You want to use your keywords naturally, keeping your text readable for real humans. And there's also Shopify applications that you may want to look into, as some SEO applications help streamline this process, so do some research to see if one could help you. And there you have it, that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below whether you have any other questions or if you have any thoughts on the topic. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.